Blueberry growers face a daunting challenge as they watch a significant portion of their crop go to waste, translating to millions of dollars lost. The current harvesting solutions fall short, leaving behind a staggering 40% to 60% of premium fruit. With an innovative catching system, disc cones, KOKAN 600T ensures minimal waste, keeping productivity and quality in perfect harmony with up to 80% harvest capture. The skate system enhances the picking capacity of the 600T harvesters by facilitating the smooth transportation of crates from the top of the pickers to the work platforms. Thanks to its advanced lighting system and comprehensive camera monitoring, the 600T offers the remarkable capability to harvest during the night with precision and confidence. Tests conducted in New Jersey have shown that the KOKAN 600T air-powered technique achieves dessert-grade quality, free from damage or bruising.